Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about Photograv, but not necessarily. It would work with any photo and and we're going to use the Intersect tool, which is underneath the weld tool. Somebody contacted me off one of the videos and said he makes an oval and then runs it into Photograv, and then when he engraves it, the part outside the oval still engraves on his tile. So what I would do is run Photograv as a square picture and then bring it into Corel. And this is a Photograv image. It's amazing what this looks like on black tile, because this is black and it's really neat. But what you need to do, and I've already done it here, is just bring in an oval into your Photograv picture that you brought in, position your oval, select both of them, and go right here to the Intersect tool. And also have your nudge factor set on something bigger than the picture. The picture is 5 1/4 inches. The nudge factor is 6, because you're going to want, as soon as you do that, you're going to want to nudge it over. And proof in the pudding that there's nothing showing, but that's another aspect of that is the handles. You can see, and it could fill in with gray, but there's this much left of the photo, and now there's none left of the photo on the top and bottom. So if you were worried about this, and it's too late in the evening for me to go out and run a test on this, but I'm almost 100% confident it works. When you intersect, much better than power clipping. And then, for instance, when you run this in Photograv, Photograv might be changing that up. So start with a square picture and then make it an oval in Corel. And this is always proof in the pudding that your handles are so close to the picture, where if you look at the handles on this picture, see how far away they are from the young man? They're apparently an inch away from the bat, and where this time they're only just a little bit away from the bat. So we've trimmed all that out with Intersect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.